keeping it real though. That is what it does really look like. It's my pregnant mama belly. My baby. Getting there though.
I know the story of your life through winter storms and summer skies. There was a time when you were young and free. So let's go back to the beaches where I always make you laugh, to the forest where we found a hidden path, to the summertime of 2005 when we were still alive, when we were still alive.
Okay, so I'm just going to share with you a super quick grocery haul of what I have. There is some stuff in the fridge still, so it isn't everything that I normally buy. Usually I've been spending about $150, so this is $180, but I did get stuff for Christmas and for tonight because we're going out. So I can show you like a little bit of some treats that I have bought for the night as well for us. Okay, so this is basically our normal grocery shop here, I'm gonna say. So you can see I've got like lots of fruit and veg, and then I have some cheese. This will be really more for Talia, but this is for our wraps for tonight. Our garlic bread's also for Talia. These are probably what I really wanted to share. So these are like dried fruit, which yes, I know dried fruit is full of sugar, but these don't have any additional added sugars to them like the other ones. So you open it up and they're literally just dried mango. So this is what my treat is I have these if I feel like I want some sugar. And I do have something else, I'm gonna pop it on the screen, but they're also my favorites because they're just like whole food stuff. So yeah, this is a normal grocery shop, what it sort of looks like. And then at the back here, this is for tonight. So instead of soft drink, we're having kombucha. I always give Talia kombucha anyway instead of soft drink because soft drink is terrible for you. I have some protein yogurt just to keep me nice and full. And then Talia's got her yogurt and she's got some biscuits also to snack on. I might bring some fruit or like veggie sticks for me to snack on as well. And we're having wraps. So we're going to the Christmas carols tonight. Over here is just our Christmas stuff as well. So I'm making a savoury platter. And the best thing is I get to pick like, you know, healthier options for myself as well, because I can sort of tend to go towards that. And again, we're going with the kombucha as well instead of the soft drink. Okay, so I am just going to head out and have a shower, and I'm going to share with you just what I eat in a week. So I'm just going to put some clips and things in of little bits and pieces that I eat and what I eat them for, just so you can see exactly what I eat for the week, what it looks like. And then I'm going to make some of my banana protein muffins as well. So this is another one of my little sweet treats that I have, and I make them in small portion sizes, so then obviously they last me longer, but it's also a bit of portion control as well. And with the protein powder, it keeps me fuller for longer. Okay, typically what I eat in a week, tuna and avocado on toast is sometimes a breakfast option or a lunch option. And then I will also have like some oats other days with either mixed with protein and just some almond milk. And that is usually most days. I never usually skip breakfast. For lunch or a dinner option, I always prepare a little salad like this, and then I will roast up some pumpkin and some chicken, and I'll just pop that in the microwave just to reheat it, and then I just mix it through my salad. And this is usually just a lunch or a dinner option. For snacks, I always do my trusty veggie sticks. You've been seeing me do this for years. I have opted out of celery lately, and I've just been enjoying my sugar snap peas instead, and I'll probably be doing beans as well because I'm really loving the beans lately as well. The other things that I do tend to snack on are eggs and just chicken strips, and I might even have that with a little bit of garlic aioli sometimes. The protein has been the one thing that has really helped me stay fuller for longer, and it's definitely helped me stop like full-on snacking and trying to look for, you know, bits of junk food to snack on. The other things that I have as snacks is a fruit salad, and I just have this with some natural Greek yogurt, and I also do have this as a dessert option as well if I'm still hungry. Now I wanted to share this with you as like a lazy sort of option, so I just grab a stir fry pack from the supermarket. Then I just use some ginger, honey, garlic and some soy sauce just as a sauce base. And then I will use that with some diced up chicken. So that is just a much quicker like meal on the go. And I've usually got a few days left over with that as well. Another one of my quick and easy lazy type options is just to grab a fish from the deli, and all I do is just bake it in the oven, and then I might run and have a shower, or I'll get Talia's dinner on and served, and then I will just steam up some veggies. So that is just such a good, quick and easy meal that is so healthy that you can do when you're really time poor.
I'll say this nice, tell it in a letter, stamp and mail it out. We did our best, couldn't have done better. I think we should be proud. But you know, when I was living up, back and forth but never together. So I'll stand up and walk out and make my way alone for now.
Okay, so a little bit of a disclaimer. I don't weigh myself every week, so I can't tell you exactly how much weight I lose each week. And I haven't done any measurements, which I really should have. But the reason why I don't do these things is because I did have body dysmorphia disorder when I was a teenager. So even though it's been so long, it still does affect me a lot. And I do really fear and get anxious about going back to that sort of dark place, because I feel like I'm more vulnerable to it. So anyway, that is why, but I can tell you that I have lost 3.2 kilos since I did weigh myself. So I think I weighed myself about a month, possibly 6 weeks ago. And yeah, 3.2 kilos is so far weight loss. So the weight that I was at, you guys probably noticed a little bit on camera, but not too much. I had kids say to me, when are you having a baby? No, not cool. So yeah, I was literally 5 kilos off my pregnancy, full-term pregnancy weight. Yes, so my full-term pregnancy weight was 66 kilos. I am a very, very short person, so that probably doesn't sound like a lot, but I'm a very short person. I have a very small frame, so it's not uncommon for me to weigh just under the 50 kilos. So yeah, my intentions is not to focus on the scales. My intentions is to look and feel more confident in the clothes that I enjoy wearing. And that is pretty much my intention. Obviously, I want to feel a lot better, healthier and whatever else, which I think I already feel that anyway. But yeah, I just want my confidence back. I just want to be able to wear what I like to wear. And I have not been able to feel like I can do that in a while. It's got to the point where I was going to have to start buying clothes to hide it. So my big takeaway I want to give you guys, if you are just starting a calorie deficit diet or starting to get back into health and fitness and really want to look after your body, is like today, I actually felt like I was going to be dizzy and going to pass out. So I did end up finishing my workout after 20 minutes, but I went upstairs on the treadmill and I just did like a bit of a walk, because any movement is better than none, because the more that you move, the fitter you're going to be, and then you will be able to, you know, stay longer in your workouts if you are struggling. So that's my big one for fitness. And for food, I'm just going to say, like, not everybody is Superwoman or Superman. We can't all have the time to prepare all the foods, and there's absolutely nothing wrong with going to the supermarket and getting a pre-prepared salad and a roast chicken or something like that. It is still very, very healthy, and just keep it real and keep to what you can do. That's what I really want to say. So as you can see, I haven't really restricted fruit out of my diet. Anything that is natural sugars, I'm going to keep in my diet. I don't sit there and read all the bits and pieces on the labels at all. But I just try and steer away from full sugary things. Anyway, I hope you guys have enjoyed and you've got something out of this. And if you want me to do further ones in the future when it comes into winter, I can do another one as well to share with you how it's going to change, obviously, because I'm going to want warmer foods. So I hope you've all enjoyed, and I'll catch up with you guys next week for a new video. I'll see you then. Bye.